Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music with SoundCloud or Spotify or in your browser. Just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't. Now, if it didn't help you, next step I recommend to check is you have a new update for your earbuds. So open EDIFIER Connect application and look on, of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. And then check if you have some information about update. I haven't it because I have the last software version. By the way, you can check your software version right here. You just go to the settings. Now, if it also didn't help you, next step I recommended to restart your phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. And also we can perform a soft reset. Just put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case, your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and maybe this method fix your problem. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press 3 times at this button and the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it to your phone. So open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and at the device list you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!